Welcome to the test track for the future of driving. MCity at the University of Michigan near Detroit is designed to mimic American roads, allowing testing of self-driving cars and other connected vehicles. The test track has mock-ups of an American main street, complete with pedestrian crossings and bike lanes. There's a train crossing, an underpass, and a section of highway with on and off ramps. Some signs are faded or graffitied to provide real-world challenges to cars' computer vision. As he drives himself around the track, the University of Michigan's James Sayer explains why MCity is needed when some companies are already testing self-driving cars on real roads.
So what you're testing here for are the more challenging scenarios that you can do them in a safe, repeatable manner. If you want to test whether or not your system is going to detect a pedestrian or a bicyclist, you don't want to be putting people in the real world at harm. And you can't do it repeatedly.
One of the companies testing at MCity is Ford, which recently started driving its autonomous vehicles in the snow. This difficult weather reduces grip and means video cameras see a field of white instead of road markings. Luckily, the car also uses laser-based sensors to build a map of the world around it.
Our car doesn't rely on seeing the surface of the road to know where it is. We build a 3D map of the environment in advance, and if we come back and we find that the surface is obscured, then our algorithms revert to using all the structure above the ground, and we still know where we are.
Even if the cars are able to deal with the weather, just handling road layouts on a good day isn't as easy as it looks.
One of the more complicated aspects of MCity is the roundabout. In the US, roundabouts are not that common, so they're starting to be installed, but quite frankly, Americans don't really know how to use roundabouts, and they're also very complicated for autonomous vehicles.
Of course, MCity will never be able to recreate every real-world scenario. Google recently showed off this video in which one of its cars came across a woman in an electric wheelchair brandishing a broom, chasing a duck around the street. But with fully autonomous vehicles still years away from going on sale, control tests will remain essential for a long time to come.